Happy Easter, everyone, and welcome to Cook with Melanie. Today is all about Easter hunt, our braai, and having our friends over. So that is the food that my hubby and I have prepared. So I will take you through the journey. So let's start with the morning. We wake everyone up, and Sisha and I are like up in the morning, excited about the morning. Yeah, she doesn't sleep in her room. I don't know why. Anyway, meet our middle child, AIK, and night owl he's. And then meet Sina, sir, our firstborn, already up.
Are you relaxing?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. The Easter egg hunt is ready.
Oh my gosh, I did.
We start off with Sisha's Easter egg hunt. It's so fun. I've got eggs hidden, some chocolates, things that mom and dad love also, so that she can share with us as well, and that she doesn't have to eat so much.
What is that? What is that?
And big
What's inside though? I want to see what's inside. Show me. Okay, I think there's a paw that goes that way. And some black thing.
Oh,
Blackness. Ooh!
Oh!
Yay! Oh my gosh! Yo.
Let's check what's inside.
Should we check what's inside? Open it, open it. Are you excited?
Whoa!
What is it?
It's a beautiful new dress.
Oh my gosh, it's a beautiful dress. Whoa.
I love it so much too.
Let me see. Show us.
I am a unicorn.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Yay, did you enjoy your hunt this year?
Yeah.
In your bed.
After this, hubby gets the fire going for our bride.
It's smaller in stature. It's not like smaller.
And the famous onion makes it to the bride always.
Okay, so while the fire is going, we are going to make the sides. The meat is here. I'm going to just spice it and marinate it. And I've got Sisha here helping me with the sides, right? The girls are making the sides. Hey, Sisha? Sisha? Hello? Okay. Anyway, she's in her whole...
Did you say something?
Yes, I said something.
What?
I said we are going to make the sides.
Ah.
So, yeah, and then, in my roast veggies. What are you saying? Remember, we are talking about vegetables, right? Okay.
Sorry, everyone. You are just like... Sorry.
Anyway, so yeah, let's start off with the roast vegetables.
So for the roast vegetables, you use a roasting dish. You add your roasting vegetables, you add some salt and pepper, and then some olive oil. And then I also use a white bechamel sauce to actually add a bit of flavor and creaminess to this. And then this is going to bake in the oven for about 30 to 40 minutes. And that's it. Then for my mushrooms, I get some basil from the garden and wash them, and then I chop those. Then I will saute. So I saute that in olive oil with some garlic, and then I add some brown sliced mushrooms and saute that together. This is a great, gorgeous combo. You can add more oil if you need to, and then to that, I add my peas and my cream, and I let that reduce. So this is a very quick recipe, but very, very tasty.
Nothing else. But I just found, I forgot this.
What is that?
I forgot this.
You found that finally! Yay! Oopsie!
See, I have to.
Did Auntie Aya help you?
Yeah.
Not to forget about our veggies, so take them out. Ooh, they look delicious. They smell gorgeous. And they are ready to serve. And we are ready to serve our guests. And yeah, let's take you to the table.
While people actually achitha ngayo bomfana.
I'm not sure.
And why blue?
I'm not sure.
Oh, blue color is that day.
But boys are bad. Man, he stays up as so bad. That was we said no first one. No, last spell. Then we ban Kulu. Got go. We show that I go to that weather. But I don't spell it because man of a movie. You definitely.
Kaloku when you are not feeling well, but in when you're not well, Kaloku you'll be sick. So when patient Kaloku, so the banana is too cold. So okay, Auntie, guys, if banana is too cold, please
So
can you
like an analogy, your mind, okay, this person is really sick.
Yeah.
Open up something more.
They do that like
Where, baby?
Like when somebody's very sick. Oh, okay. And then they eat half of the banana and then the people leave and say, did you eat today? But and sometimes they finish the whole half of a banana. You know which this one is gone.
It's like national an apple day. Keeps the doctor away.
It's a one banana.
Half of the one banana.
Wow, baby.
Well, thank you so much for watching this video, everyone. It was fun for us to share our Easter with you. Happy Easter. Don't forget to subscribe. It helps me keep going. Support me by subscribing and also liking the video. Ciao.